Okay. Tough. We missed some trades. And I think it's all my fault, right? This was a good trade. I knew it was holding this resistance line here. And you can see my thesis. It played out. Like, it played out good 3-1. I had 30 cons here. But I took the risk off early. Okay. Second one I got in, I actually was long here. I was just going for 2-1 at the purple. Well, so that sucks, cause yeah, that would have been another like 2-3 grand. You can see it played out, but I didn't hold it. Here. So next time we have to start drawing out our thesis. Yeah, cause that was a good play. What I'm looking at now, Microsoft looks very bullish. Like, might go hit 470. They have a gap there. You can see this little gap here. Interesting. Smart to wait here. I do think there is a trade coming on service now. Excuse me. I'll be watching that one kind of close. Does look like there may be a potential trade there. We'll see. No volume. Not worth it. Okay, now that we're entering this, if I look at the daily, we still have a rejection here. Right? think what we're gonna do is we lost those two positions. Could have gotten them. It's okay. From here though, if we start to turn down. Yeah, honestly, not sure, guys. Not sure. And that is why we're probably just gonna call it. So that's what happened today. We're down 600. Very tough. But it is what it is, you know? It is what it is. We might get another entry here. I would want to see it break this. And my thesis behind that is basically this trend line, you know. I would not want it to break these highs here. As a matter of fact, let me get this off the screen so we can see a little bit better. Okay, here we are. Short. You see, this is our previous high. We're nearing this trend line here. I haven't entered because it looks like it might go take it out. I'll enter for the formation of the wick. Like that. Okay, we'll take a little bit there. And that was purely just off a wick formation. If we get a little bit upward movement, it's great. Because we want a wick on the upside here. Right? Okay, I'll enter again. You see how short the stop is here. Literally, like, bruh, like if we break these highs, I'm out. If we break highs, I'm out, dude. Let's see. Let's see what happens in the dungeon. Boom, boom, boom. Oh. Oh. We're watching this 5-minute candle on the right. We're just seeing if it stays green or if it's going to go red. It's going to go red. Thought about going red. Might go green. Uh-oh. It's trying. Wow. Crazy. Last second. Selling action there. Okay, so my plan here, basically take profit off here, leave some runners, wait for the break of structure here, and then we will re-enter. But it's holding this bullish structure pretty well. But I do want it to hit this level here. But yeah, it's been holding bullish structure really well. Really, really well. So we'll see. Might not get it. Just might not get it. We'll have to see. Let's drop across the other Mag 7. See, Google looks like everything looks like it's about to turn. Looks like it's about to turn. Microsoft looks like an inter block, and it's about to turn. Tesla looks pretty bullish, I'm not gonna lie. Tesla looks pretty bullish. Oh my days. Help me, please. I want to get to my target. Okay, we're gonna take some gains here. Take some off. You know, take some of the edge off. Okay, actually, we're just gonna go ahead and clear it out right there. Know what I mean? It hasn't made a new high yet, so if we start to break out of here, best believe your boy is in. Let's see if we can get close again. Get another entry. It's still in bullish structure though. I just enter premature because I've been doing this for a little while. You can see it was faking out the new high. There. Ah ha ha. So let's see if it takes it out. Now we just wait. Now we just wait. Looking pretty ugly if you ask me. But we just want to make sure, hey, is this going to actually break structure, or are you going to continue bullish structure here and actually make a new high and then invalidate our thesis? You know, it's part of the patience, part of the game. Just because we have, I don't want to hop in long. Like normally I would scalp that, but since I'm down today, my goal is that we come into here. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like there's a massive gap down here, my guy. Massive gap down there. So, that being said, my thesis, having that Microsoft just entered its major order block. Meta looks like it's on the downturn. Nvidia looks like it's on the downturn. What we're going to do is we're going to hop in for tomorrow. here. We'll go 732 for this account as well. Yes. Okay. And what we really want is this. Bang. I have no idea why I'm talking like this, honestly. I gotta figure it out. So that's kind of what we really want here. You know what I mean? So we just entered here. Bang, bang. Our stop loss is above. If it makes a new high here, we can't enter. If it rejects, then it's going to reject all the way to the point of below here. So then the hourly can stay below. But Netflix, what are you doing? Yeah, no. Could come to this white dotted. It's looking juicy. capture the gains for now. It's a major level here. Yeah, everything but Google looks extra bearish, and even Google on a higher time frame looks bearish. So nothing that I would want to like prematurely hop in. You see Google's really holding the weight there. Microsoft entered its fair value gap. I want to see if it turns here. Yeah, on the smaller time frame, it's like, oh yeah, these are getting bullish. Oh wow, I didn't see that. Okay, well, ooh. No, not that. Nay. Now we've got to look back across the board. See Microsoft's shooting. We need Google to really start turning around. Tesla start turning around. And continue in their higher time frame. Bearish. Which it looks like it wants to, you know? Looks could be deceiving, right? But I don't know, dude. Tesla's interesting. Looks really bearish to me. starting to see Google give a little bit. Here comes Spy. Gotta be careful here. It all looks bearish. Very bearish. This is starting to sell. Tesla looks like it's starting to come down. Nvidia looks like it's starting to come down. That's not a good little push though. We need more mass selling like Meta. Microsoft has to sell. Google has to really start selling. Tesla has to really start selling. So does Nvidia. It looks like it on the higher time frame. It looks like it needs to turn bearish here. Okay, we're starting to see it a little. You see Microsoft starting to give, Google starting to give there. Nvidia is about to start giving too. So I think this is going to play out. We just need the continuation of selling, and we should be golden. Let's see here. If this turns up, we're cooked. Ooh. Okay. Oh, wow. Kind of cooked me there. Kind of cooked me there. That's all right. Oof. Yeah, here we go, guys. It's a good little sell there. I'm going to go ahead and take off this here. Like I said, everything looked bearish. That's how I caught this candle now. If I would have held correctly, we'd be up insane. But I just want to watch it. Just want to watch it. Just want to be careful. We've got some runners. Right, now we can go back in lighter, lower. Ooh, that would have been a hell of a... Keep looking the max 7. We've got to make sure we're not turning here, because if we're turning, we're cooked. You heard we entered a small position, literally 3 shares. I mean, three lots, 3 contracts. God, I don't know why I can't talk. Look at Nvidia starting to peel down here. Hold on. That's what we want, guys. This, look at it. Everything's starting to sell. That's exactly what we said. Mm-hmm. Nvidia's starting to sell. Google's selling. Oh. What was that? That was an insane candle. I think it was bullshit, though. I hope it was bullshit. Google looks strong. On a higher time frame, not so much. I don't know if I'm falling for it. Yeah, everything looks like it wants to start peeling down. Across the board, look at Tesla. Once again, I don't think I'm falling for it. I could be wrong. They're about to show me if I'm wrong. But yeah, look at everything start to peel down. Get Meta start to peel down. Wow. That's actually an insane candle. I didn't see that. Dang, dude. That sucks. Because we are now getting fried. We are absolutely getting fried now. Absolutely getting fried now. I'm just waiting. Because, yeah, look at Google, man. Look at Google on an hourly. Like, it looks like it's coming down. Tesla coming down. Nvidia coming down. Look at Google come down. You know? Mag 7's coming down. I'm not sure what this movement is over here on SPY, but everything's starting to peel down a little bit. Manipulation, maybe? A little shakeout. No wick? Oh, there's a wick. Okay. There's not a wick on Microsoft, though. That's alarming. All right, we're in heavy. We don't need to be. But yeah, just looking at everything. $81. Oh my god, we might be cooked. If this gets bullish, we're cooked. Microsoft gets bullish, we're cooked. Tough scene, tough scene. I'm actually asked for that. I brought it back to minus 100. Ah! Then just lost 2,000 on that play. Man, minus 2,400. Okay, well. Oh, man, dude. We were doing so good. We were doing so good, dude. Jeez. Full moon for you, man. Shouldn't be trading today. Sucks. That sucks. That actually sucks so bad. Minus 2K today. Dang, dude. Dang. Tough. Oh, well. Yes, we got sucked out. This is our other. Tough, man. Super tough. I hate to see it, honestly. Like, that's what I get. I gotta regroup. But yeah, that does suck. That does suck. Especially when everything else looks like it's turning over. And somehow SPY's just like not. It's very frustrating. I'm gonna walk away and it's gonna hit, but I'm gonna call it. That's highly annoying. This is probably manipulation. Like, had I seen the 5-minute moving average, such a bad entry, such a bad DCA, such a bad trade. Okay. We had brought it all the way back to minus 100. Now we're minus 2K on this account. On the smaller account, we are. Oh, man. Minus 100. So, overall, huge red day. Minus 2,500. Which is insane, dude. Literally fucking insane. Alright, I'm going to call it. Try not to be emotional about it. It is what it is. It was a bad trade. Tiny movement. There's lots of movement around. That's the frustrating part. I chose to go big when I didn't need to. It is what it is. We'll recoup it somehow. Alright, guys. That's it for me. Peace.